Good afternoon, middle school students. It's Mr. Storms. It's April Fool's Day. And I don't even have a good April Fool's Day joke for you, but I hope maybe some of you do. So if you do have a great April Fool's Day joke, send it to me through your Google email. I'd love to hear it. Today is, like I said, April 1st. It is our 13th day on the emergency release from the coronavirus, and so I just wanted to let all of you know that. And I want to make sure you guys are checking your emails and that you're doing the things you need to be doing. Again, Google Classroom A and Google Classroom B, you should be working in. Again, it is your choice, the things you're doing in those, so you can make a choice between different activities that are in there, but you need to do two in each one. But notice I decided to go outside today because I'm sick of sitting in the basement. So I got some fresh air, but I'm freezing. It is cold out. But I'm sitting here on my deck doing my video. So you guys have a great evening. Keep working in your Google Classrooms, but check your mail. Send your teachers a funny April Fool's Day joke. And send me one because I need something to make me smile. So you guys have a great night, and I will send you more information. I think it's starting to snow. All right, bye, guys.